Ciao! Buongiorno! Come stai? Happy Mansuri. I miss you, I miss you. Hold on. Ciao! Just, can you see this? It's really beautiful. Talagang nilagyan ko pa siya ng tube para lang hindi siya malanta agad, okay? I love you. And I miss you so much. Wait up, wait up. Charan! Sino to? Sino ikaw ha? Sino ikaw? Sino yan? Sino yan? Sino yan ha? Sino yan? Oy! At kaninong sando to? Ha? Kaninong sando? I miss you. I miss you, miss you, miss you, miss you, miss you. Kita mo na? Ganyan kita namimiss, ganyan kita namimiss. Mwah, mwah. Mi monkey, ma tanto veramente, señorita. Umuwi ka na dito. Ulila na ako. Anyways, it's our first mansari. Gusto ko sana maging special sa kahit na magkalayo tayo. Gusto ko pakaramdam ko ay nandito ka sa tabi ko. Mahal na mahal kita. Lagi mong tatandaan niya. At huwag na kang bibitaw. Okay? Kaya natin to. Okay? This is our first mansari, amore. Sana ma-appreciate mo kahit ganito lang yung effort na nagawa ko sa ngayon. Kasi, alam mo na, lagi tayo. But promise to talaga. Pagka tuloy tayo, plano kong mag-date tayo sa Venice. Venice, alam mo yun? Venice. Di ba gusto mo yun? Okay? Enough of this. Medyo bumababa ng picture mo. Wait lang. I got a surprise for you. Okay. Come here. Take a look at this. Come on forward. Look at that. Did you see that? Yan. Can you read it? It says, Happy first mansari, la mia moye. Love, amore. Did you see that? And right now, gusto kong mag-lighten up ng candle para makapag-wish ka na at ako din. Same time, okay? Gusto ko, pag napanood mo to, mag-wish ka after I blow the candle, okay? No, before I blow the candle pala, I'm sorry, okay? Here he goes. Come on. Let's go lighten up the candle. There you... Oh, isn't it nice? Look at it. You see that? That's our candle. That's our first mansari, amore. Wow, it's beautiful, right? I miss you so much. Wait, I'll hold the cake. Yes. Hold on. Wait up. Okay. Yes. See that? That's our first mansari, amore. And I miss you. Naiiyak ako. Sobra. Mahal kita, amore. Lagi mong tatandaan niya, okay? Magwi-wish ako. Tapos i-blow ko yung candle. Ngayon, bago pag papanoorin mo siya, kailangan sumabay ka ng pag-wish sa akin. Tapos, pag kinlose ko yung eyes ko, that means ako yung nag-wish na. Tapos i-blow ko yung candle. So, dapat nakapag-wish ka na nun bago ko ma-blow yung candle, okay? I love you, and here goes. Amen. I love you. Happy first mansari. Gotta go. I need to blow the candle now. Ready? Yay! I miss you, amore. I love you so much. Okay. Here's the flower. I'm going to give it to you, okay? Look. Bibigay ko siya sa'yo. Parang hawakan mo siya ng mabuti. Okay. There it is. There's the flower. Beautiful, no? More. Sabi ko naman sa iyo meron ako surprise sa'yo. Kaso hindi siya ganun big. Although, naisip ko lang yan. Sa idea ko, the whole day nag-iisip talaga ako na idea para dyan. So sana mapanood mo to ng mabuti at sana mag-enjoy ka. Okay? Take care always. I'll be in touch. I love you so much. Mwah, mwah. Happy first month today. Ciao, ciao! Mwah, 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 mwah. Love you. Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao.